It seems like a long time ago now, when my grandfather used to tell me stories of the sea and the big sailing ships that used to deliver their cargo to ports around the world. One day my grandfather showed me a small box. As he turned it over and over, he told me that someday all the world's cargo would be carried in boxes just like this, but larger of course. And that this was going to change the way countries and cities traded with each other all over the world. Of course, he was talking about containerization. And with the development of containers came the development of container ports. Cargo that once arrived in bales, barrels and bags now comes in sealed metal containers with no indication to the human eye of their contents. Large containers full of assorted goods, from German cars and Japanese televisions to New Zealand apples and American ice cream. Enormous floating marketplaces, loading and unloading, plying their way across the oceans, from north to south, east to west, the lifeblood of the 20th century and beyond. My fascination with ships and the sea has led me to a career in shipping. And where better to begin than Hutchison Port Holdings in Hong Kong, the world's busiest port and home base to the world's largest independent port operator. Hutchison Port Holdings has its roots deeply entrenched in the heart of this Asian dynamo through our flagship company, Hong Kong International Terminals. HIT mirrors the very city it serves and has been a symbol of Hong Kong's economic success, running at full speed 24 hours a day. To date, we have invested over $88 million in our fully computerized port management systems, which enable us to handle over 60% of Hong Kong's container throughput. This has helped HIT to become a market leader with the highest container throughput per land area in the world. Here, our commitment to technology is matched with our investment in state-of-the-art facilities and specially designed quay and yard cranes. These cranes are carefully maintained and designed to provide maximum performance in all weather conditions. Hand in hand with our emphasis on high-end technology and equipment is our dedication to customer service. HIT has consistently won industry awards for its efficiency and high service standards, and continues to play a key role in maintaining Hong Kong's status as the world's leading port. Our group is now exporting our professional management, operational expertise, and cutting-edge computer technology to ports in different parts of the world. Our group owns and manages 3 of Britain's most important ports. Handling over 2 million TEUs annually, Felixstowe is the UK's largest and Europe's 4th largest container port. It is situated on the southeast coast within easy reach of major ports in northwest Europe. The dedicated application of leading-edge technology enables the port to oversee and coordinate the movement of containers and ships more effectively and efficiently. Flexibility and attention to individual needs ensure that customers are provided with the best service. This places Felixstowe at the very forefront of container port operations. Thames Port is Europe's fastest growing container port, and with its automated driverless yard cranes, one of the most technologically advanced in the world. Located on the Thames estuary, just 35 miles from London and within easy reach of other major North European ports, this deep water facility is an ideal hub, short sea or feeder port. Thames Port benefits from fast, dedicated road and rail freight connections to the important manufacturing and distribution centres of the UK. Strategically located in the southeast, Harwich International is a multi-purpose port which handles containers and general and project cargo. Additionally, the port facilitates the movement of cruise ships and passenger and ferry services to a variety of European destinations. North and South Road and rail links provide easy access to the port. In partnership with the local port authority, HPH has modernized and expanded Shanghai's port facilities, making it the largest port in China. This development program has contributed greatly to the government's grand plan to turn Shanghai into an international shipping and maritime center. In Shenzhen, we are the prime movers in the development of Yantian Port, China's first major deep-water port, where we at HPH are duplicating our state-of-the-art computer management system from Hong Kong. A world-class port, Yantian now serves as a direct gateway to southern China. In addition to Yantian, HPH has also set up a South China port network with the establishment of Hutchison Delta Ports, a network of strategic river and coastal ports that serve feeders to hub ports and inter-Asia vessels. These ports in turn will help fuel the economic boom experienced in this region. Our group's expertise in the building and development of brand new ports has also brought us to Freeport in the Bahamas, where HPH has not only built a container port, but is also developing a unique industrial, tourist and transportation hub. The core of the new development is Freeport Container Port, which is situated on Grand Bahama Island, one of the largest of the 700 islands that comprise the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. Centrally located 65 miles east of Florida, Freeport serves as a major world container transshipment hub. Freeport operates around the clock and provides dedicated and reliable services to some of the world's largest shipping lines. An efficient, well-motivated working team ensures a short turnaround time and thereby a cost-effective port operation for customers. Privately owned and operated, the Freeport Harbor Company is a joint venture between HPH and the Grand Bahama Development Company. As the new emerging maritime center in the region, Freeport Harbor handles over 1 million cruise passengers every year. Also a joint venture between HPH and the Grand Bahama Development Company, Freeport International Airport is one of the largest privately owned airports in the world, providing easy access to major destinations worldwide. Other HPH ports include Cristobal and Balboa in Panama, Myanmar, and Indonesia. Whether in Europe, the Americas, Greater China or the emerging economies of Southeast Asia, we bring our proven track record of port development and expertise, bulk purchasing power and strong financial backing to every port that HPH is building, operating and managing. Throughout the group, customer focus has become our mission. This is further reinforced by ongoing staff training and development programs, which enable us to maintain a high level of excellence and quality. No wonder that every major shipping line in the world is using an HPH port at one time or another. We handle almost one container every 3 seconds, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, which means a total of over 13 million TEUs per year. Today, if you use it, eat it or wear it, it probably reached you via a container. As world trade continues to increase, so too does the demand for modern container port facilities to transport and move these very important boxes. As a world leader in port development and operation, Hutchison Port Holdings is dedicated to providing the best in service and quality and to meeting the fast-changing needs of global trade. Allied to this is our commitment to improve and develop the places that we operate in, whether it is boosting the local economy or giving a helping hand to communities. As I stand looking out over Hong Kong and its harbour and the ships that come and go, I remember my grandfather's stories, and I can't help but wonder that this was where it all started. We at Hutchison Port Holdings are helping to create a global trade network through which we see ourselves contributing to the progress and prosperity of developing regions. It is our vision to promote the free exchange of ideas and culture, like goods and people, and in so doing, open doors to a new world and to a new millennium.